Even though most of these AI tools are not paid and some of them are not working, guys, guess what? I found two that are still working and I want to update you in this video. Right now, I generated this video using this AI tool and I'm going to show you step by step. You can use it for any kind of videos at all. Okay, now the first one we're going to be using is this one right here. It's called textdo.com or textdo AI. To access it, just go to Chrome browser and type exactly what you're seeing in my search bar right now. So yeah, when you get into this platform, you have to sign in as a new user. Okay, if you don't have an account before, you have to sign in to use the platform so you can get the credit from the platform. Okay, now we are signed in already. I use my Google account. I couldn't show that part, but you can go on and use your Google account. Okay, and when you sign in, this is the interface you will see for the first time user. You can do text to video, you can do image to video, as you can see right here. Now I'll just scroll down. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using text to video because I already have a text that I'm going to be using for the two platforms. Okay, so yeah, the text to video, I'll just paste my prompt and I'll paste my prompt and then I'll just scroll down to select my other important details. Okay, now just scroll down. You see the duration, the resolution is 480, 5 seconds for duration, 16 by 9. So I'll just put everything according to what I want. Okay, when you come on this platform, you can just go through it and fix whatever you want and then click on generate. It's as simple as this. Just make sure your aspect ratio, your prompt, your resolution, everything is intact, and then you start generating your video for you. Okay, guys, try out this platform and let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, we'll be heading over to the second platform on our list. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going through it very fast. It's called Vista.com or Vista AI. Just search on it, still on the search bar, just open another tab, that's all. So this is the platform. When you open it, now to use it, you still need to sign in, okay, using your Google account as well. Now when you sign in, you'll be given credits to use on this platform. Do you understand? So guys, I just signed in using my Google account, and as you can see, I have about 300 credits to use to generate videos. Now to generate videos, I'll just go on and click on this general project. Okay, right here, as you can see, e-commerce agent, I'll just click on the general agent rather, and I'll be able to select the kind of models I want. Okay, just remove this interface and you'll be able to select video generator. As you can see right now, just click on the cancel to remove this one, tap on it. Okay, now scroll back down and then click on the agent you want. This is video generator. Seedance 2.0 is available right here. Okay, we just click on it, and of course they have both image to video and of course text to video, just like the other platform we reviewed a while ago. Right now I will still use the text to video because I already have my text. Okay, this one has start frame and end frame as well for the image generator. So I'll just head over to text to video and then of course I'll paste my prompt again, just like I did the other time. Okay, after pasting my prompt, I'll just scroll down. As you can see, I'll make sure everything is intact. Okay, it's currently at 916. I don't want that. I want 16 by 9, which is YouTube aspect ratio, and of course the seconds is about 3 seconds. The resolution is 720 pixels, as in the lowest in this platform. Okay, so select the lowest to minimize your credits, and of course select the lowest to minimize your credit, and of course we'll just make sure everything is okay, and then we can go on and click on generate. Okay, yeah, everything is intact, then click on generate and wait for it to start loading. So this is how you use this platform, guys. It's as simple as this. Make sure your output is one, lest I forget, make sure your output is one. And yeah, if you do more than one, it will consume your credits more. Okay, click on the generate button and wait for it to load, and the video is generating already, guys. So this is the prompt I use. In case you want this prompt, you can check it out on our Telegram community. I'll leave the prompt right there for easy access, so I can use it to recreate your own videos. Okay, now the video is generating already. It doesn't take so long. You just hold on and yeah, the video will be ready. Okay guys, so it's ready. This is the video. This is exactly how I was able to generate this video using this platform. So guys, when you are done, don't always forget to download your video. Always make sure you download your video. It's very important that you do. And to download it, just swipe sideways, as you can see on my screen. No, I'm using a phone, so I have to move it like a PC. Look at the download button right there. Yeah, you can click on it and it will be saved to your phone. So make sure you save your videos and you are good to go, guys. You can use this for any kind of videos. Okay, guys, I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, see ya, bye for now.